Hey, Shawn, how are you, man? Rick Mills with Execution Digital Marketing. Hope you're doing well. It's good to talk to you yesterday. Hey, like I said, I wanted to shoot you this quick video, just showing you a few things about your website, your online presence, and hopefully bring you some more customers and what you're looking for. But without further ado, I'll jump right into this. Obviously, so I want to talk about three things. Number one, we'll talk about content. Number two, we're going to talk about what we call citations, and number three, we'll talk about backlinks. So. First and foremost, obviously, I know that it does say on your landing page here that you're working on your website. So if that's the case, great. The rule of thumb with content when it comes to your website is on the home page, you want to have a minimum of 1,500 words on your home page. The reason for that is that gives the right content to keyword ratio. So when Google bots are scrolling websites, they're going to read those keywords, and you have the right ratio of content to keywords, so you can be ranked faster and higher on Google search for the keywords that you're looking for. I wasn't exactly sure what your core business is, whether it's I know that obviously irrigation is pretty general, For this exercise today, I'm going to use sprinkler repair. I don't think that you're, doing that for the main part of your business, but just as an example, I'm going to use that as a keyword here. So that's content, right? So 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. It's going to be able to rank your site for your keywords much faster, and be really efficient at that. Google loves to see that kind of content. So when we talk about keywords and we talk about buyer intent keywords, so I type in sprinkler repair Austin. That's a buyer intent keyword, right? That means whoever types this in, lives in or around Austin, and they need they need their sprinklers repaired. So whether that be for you, whether it be natural landscape Austin, that's why we need to probably have a further discussion so I can understand your business a little bit more. But like I said, I just wanted to shoot this video for you so you kind of have a better understanding of what I do and how we do it. So again, buyer intent keyword here. So sprinkler repair Austin, when somebody types that in, of course, first thing they're going to see are ads. Ads are fine. We do a lot of successful Google ad campaigns, but hey, it costs money, right? And so what we really focus on are those organic results, something that you're not having to pay for day in and day out. And it's going to become an asset for your company in getting customers, on a daily basis. So, once people scroll past these ads, they're going to see this, what we call the Google Map Pack here. And that's where number two, citations, plays a part. So all a citation is your name, address, and phone number the way it's listed on the web. And so when Google's scrolling that, they're going to see, the companies that are signed up in the most directories that have their name throughout the World Wide Web on all these different directories. So what we do is we have software where we can go in and look at, these top businesses that show up for Sprinkler Repair Austin and find out what what directories they're signed up for. And we make sure that you're signed up for those as well. And then what we do is we double down and we want to get as many more, citations than these competitors as we can. And that's going to put us, in this top three of this Map Pack. Now, as you can imagine, these are organic, right? These aren't ads. People aren't paying to be here. So, once you're in the top three of this Map Pack for your core business, you can imagine the type of business that it's bringing these businesses by being, upfront and the first businesses that people see when they've typed this in. So that's citations. The last thing we'll talk about real quick is backlinks. So the next thing folks are going to do is they're going to scroll down and see what local businesses are on the first page of Google, because they're not going to go much further than that first page. It's just research shows that, right? And so, again, people are going to look local, so they're going to skip past these Yelps. That really is played out, Yelp and all that, all those directories. People again are looking for a local business. So, you got ABC home and commercial services. We know they do everything from HVAC to plumbing to electrical. So I wasn't going to use that as an example. I was going to use the second one that came up here, which was smart earth sprinklers, as an example here. But so what I wanted to show you was how we get, you know, our clients ranked on the first page of Google for the keywords that they're looking for. So this is a software that I subscribe to. I pay, you know, $500 a month for this. But what it allows me to do is really take a deeper look at your website and you know, look at the analytics. What's working? What's not? What can we improve on? I put in your URL here into the software. We're not getting any data, so I know obviously you've got something, you know, work under repair, right? And so that's fine. And so, but what I wanted to show you was Smart Earth Sprinklers info, just so I can kind of explain how this works. So what we're looking at here is backlinks. All a backlink is, Shawn, is it's your URL that's linked on other sites that's linking back to your site. So in Google's eyes, again, Google bots are scrolling, you know, sites throughout the web. So when people are searching for certain things, the companies that have these backlinks and powerful backlinks are the ones that are going to be ranked higher. And so, as you can see, Smart Earth Sprinklers, they've done their work. They've got over, you know, 2,500 backlinks. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. It doesn't mean that you have to have 2,500 backlinks to compete with these guys. What it means is, and you know, our strategy is we go and we look what backlinks they're using that are giving them the power. So we look for the most powerful backlinks and we make sure that you have those backlinks as well. And so what that's giving them, what all this work with these backlinks is giving them is it's powering over 3,200 organic keywords that they're ranking for. So I wanted to punch into this real quick and just show you what I mean by buyer intent keywords and why this is bringing them business. Okay, so here's our keyword that we typed in into the Google search. When we punch into their organic keywords that are ranking, there it is, sprinkler repair Austin. Okay, and I'll show you how we read this. So right here is 500 volume. So that means there are 500 searches for this exact keyword, sprinkler repair Austin, every month. 500 searches. That's really strong volume. You know, if that's a core business of yours, then you definitely want to rank for that, right, on the first page. So what does that mean for Smart Earth Sprinklers here? It's that 23, they're getting 23 click-throughs here. As you can see, I'm circling with my mouse. They're getting 23, basically 23 clients out of that are, you know, that are clicking to their website to get their phone number to, you know, to do their research. So, and why is that? It says they're ranked number 5 on that page. They've actually moved up. Obviously, they were I guess number 3 under Yelp and ABC Pest and Lawn. But so that's how that works. I mean, as you can see, I mean, let me find another buyer intent keyword here that they have: Austin sprinkler repair. Okay, 150 volume, so a little bit smaller volume, but again, they're getting 12 click-throughs to their site for that. So this is all business that no matter what your keywords are, we can target that and go after that and get you ranked. So I hope that helps, and I hope that you know, I'd love to talk to you further and kind of learn a little bit more about your business and what you're trying to do, and kind of zero in on you know, on your keywords and your core business, and we'll go from there. But hope you get a lot out of this video, and hope you have a good rest of your weekend, and look forward to talking to you soon. All right, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.